Hi everyone, it's me, your sister, Eva TV program. I'm here today to tell you good thing and experience something. Please don't pick it as unoffended. I just want to make it likely to you what happened. I was watching something on TV. I saw this carabinieri man. He was showing where they throw some food away. He was angry and saying this thing. He said he don't like it. And he said that, look, a lot of people outside, they are hungry. They don't have food to eat. And these people, they say they are poor. They came here to collect something in the Caritas. And when after they collect that food, they will throw it away, which is very bad. That thing really touches me. I look at this man, I say, yes, he's really saying the truth. Brothers and sisters, please, if you don't need something, don't collect it. It's not fair. It's not right at all. Because a lot of people are outside there hungry, suffering. They don't have food to eat. Please, don't do that. When I watched that video, I saw it. A lot of food. A lot. It was very painful. How can you just go to Caritas and you said you are hungry, you need help, and these people will give you something, food. You will just go and throw it away. It's not right. Please, let me tell you, if you go there and they give you anything, and you know this thing you don't need it, just tell them, I don't need this one, or I need this one. Just collect it. They will understand with you. When they ask you why, you say, no, I don't want to collect something that I don't want to eat. Or just keep it aside. I don't want it. I know that other people will come from it. So you just leave it and give it to people that need it. They will understand and they will appreciate you. They will thank you. Instead of collecting it and go and throw it away. That is called wickedness. That is called bad. It's not good at all. It's not good. Look, that pasta you are seeing there in the supermarket, you will just see it like this. When you take it, one packet, you will see it, 65 cents. Some, €1, 10 cents. These people, they sweat for that money they used to buy that pasta. Did you know how they get it? It's not because you think that it's Caritas. No. This food they give to Caritas is people hard-working money. Hard-working money. And also the people that has good heart. They will just sit down, they will think, they will say, I have this. I can help. Let me just take this thing and take it to Caritas so that they can give it to other people. This is how they get this thing. Not that they just get the money from the floor, they will just use it to go and buy things and give it to you people. Even if at that, you know it's food. You watch TV every day. You walk around every day. You see people are hungry. Even where you come from, you see them. They are hungry. How can you do that? How can you do that? It's very sinful. It's not good. It's not right at all. And that man is right. I know some people will say, can you force somebody on what you don't like or the food that you don't want to eat? Yes. Nobody can force you for food you don't want to eat. But if you don't like it, don't take it. Leave it there. Tell them, I don't need it. Instead of taking it and throw it away. It's not good. If If you don't want, okay, you can go to your neighbor and ask the person if you need it, or your friend. Ask if you need this thing. If they need, then we collect it. For example, for we that have children, we need it. We need it. Our children eat pasta. Likewise, we. You can give it to us. We will appreciate you. We will collect it. Please don't try that again. It's not good. It's not fair. And again, another one. Please, don't you people have shame at all? You don't have shame at all? I was watching one video on YouTube yesterday. I saw people fighting with two kids crying around them. Which fights? For no reason, husband and wife. Husband and wife. They video it, they bring it to social media. Don't you people have shame? Don't you people don't know what is shame anymore? All you people know is just to have your phone. You suffer and sweat. The money they will pay you, the first thing you will do, you go and use it to buy expensive phone. What you will do next? Just to any little thing, you people, what happened inside your house, we just take the phone and be filming it and put it on social media for people to be seeing it, all those rubbish. What type of nonsense is this, my people? Why did you people like disgrace? Just disgrace. Shouting up and down. Disgracing your own country. Is it only you people on this world? Or in this Europe? Any little thing, you just carry your phone, start videoing it, showing it, shouting the country name as if you people are the only people that came from that country. It's very sad of you people. Look at you. Call yourself as a mother-in-law, fighting your own daughter-in-law. Fighting your own daughter-in-law. I don't know what happened. It's just for the beating. You beat her, they say you bite her, they even show it. They were showing it yesterday. I was looking at it. I said, what type of nonsense is this? Matured woman like you in Europe. Fighting your own daughter-in-law. Joining with your own son. A mother that's supposed to repair a home. Fighting. What will you tell your children? This kind of a mother, which advice will you give your children? Talk less of other people's children. Is it right? Go and sit down very well and watch that video. You will be ashamed of yourself. Also, your children will be ashamed of you. And even you, the so-called husband, fighting your own wife. You forget everything. Everything, all the love una share together. Instead of you to just wear shirts, you walk away. You walk away from the house. If you don't have because they say since we are in quarantine now, instead of you can't go outside. You come down because I see the compound. There is compound there. You can come down from the step there. You stroll around the compound. Maybe if the woman see you are outside, they cannot be shouting, following you up and down. Neither, no. You stay inside there. You and your mother, both of you, beat the woman. Look at you, the way he's even talking. He did not even say it well. Look at the wife I married. Fighting my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law. Is that how they said it? Fighting my mother-in-law. Shouting up and down. Holding videoing it. Look at the woman I married. Fighting my mother-in-law. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at that small boy. Was calling you daddy. Grandmom is beating mommy. Those children are the weakness. If you don't know. Those children are the weakness. Don't you see the little girl was shouting, crying. Say, mommy, police are coming. Grandmom is beating mommy. Using children for weakness. Could you imagine? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your own aside. Look at the wife. Shouting. I know they beat you. I know it hurts. No matter what. But what have you done? Are you innocent of the matter so much? I'm not there. I don't know what happened. Because I was hearing people were calling yesterday, talking different things. I'm not there. But there is something that happened. You will just ignore the thing. You quiet. Maybe your silence will just quench the whole situation. Everything will just be okay. But no. Your mouth will be shouted everywhere. Look at the way you are just shouting outside. If some people notice, they watch that video very well, they will think that we are even the person that did the thing that is wrong. That did something wrong. Because look at them. You were throwing a word to them, shouting. The woman was even calling her voice, talking. I know you love your husband. Because I picked one word when you said yesterday. You told the woman that if you killed Elvis, that you will come back and kill her. That means you love him. That means you don't want to go. You still need that man. But if you love him as much as that, why shouting up and down? Disturbing people from that area. Look at the way you hold your little daughter. Telling her that when police come, you tell them that your grandma beat your mommy. Sister, it's not right. That is not good at all. It's very bad. You don't have to put children. When you people are quarreling, husband and wife, you don't have to put children in the middle. It's not right at all. That is not good. Don't try that. If tomorrow now, assistant socially, they come and take those children away from you people will start shouting, hey, these people are too wicked. I did not do anything. I did not do anything. Look at what you are showing. What I'm hearing yesterday inside that social media, you people should pray to God that police should not come and pick that guy. Because what they are saying about him is very bad. Instead of you people to hide yourself, no, bring yourself outside. When you people just have little money, buying phone, just say phone is made for answering call, not by using it on social media, sending all type of rubbish. It's not good at all. You people should learn. It's not good, You people, okay, for example now, you people fight that fight now. After finishing it, you will still come. Maybe those people in that compound will see you. They will greet you, good morning, say good morning, and you go. Those white people. Do you know what especially Italian, they will say buongiorno. When you turn your back, they will say, these people are mad people. You understand me? A relationship that you will fight. After fighting, disturbing the whole places, you will still come together. And I'm sure that this is not the first time you people are doing it. You people have been constituting nuisance in that place. Shouting up and down. That's why you see now they don't give anybody house again. Because of all this rubbish. You people should be very careful. Be very, very, very careful. Please, I hope that somebody will learn through this little advice I give to you people. If you really enjoyed my video, my brothers and sisters, please press that like button and subscribe. God bless you.